y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to the forest. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun. A while ago I did a video making a box using only a set of chisels, and I had a bunch of people then arguing that I also used a mallet and I used my bench, and so today I'm going to go into the woods with a single chisel and a strop and we're going to make a bench. So we're probably going to be finding the stuff we need out here, prepping it a little bit, and then I'm going to take it back to my shop and do it on the floor, and yeah, we'll have a little bit of fun. Let's go see what we're going to do. Now, unfortunately, there aren't many joiner's mallets out here in the woods, but, oh, look! A joiner's mallet. Let's get some work done. Ooh. Yeah! I think there's some leg material there. Okay, so I found this stick, and this should make some perfect legs. Nice, fairly straight, good solid wood still. But it's too long, and so I'm going to cut it up into a smaller piece so that we can use it. So many foreground and background items. Even with it really weakened, it's still hard to break. Here's one leg. I think this should do for our four legs. It's fairly straight, good, fairly sturdy wood. I'm guessing it's elm, but who knows? But we will chop this down later when I get back to my shop. Now, we need to go find a seat. I need something to prop my behind on. So let's go look. For the base, I'm looking for a piece that's like a firewood, a log that I could cut in half and have a flat space on top and put a couple legs into it. So I'm looking for a beefy piece of wood that has some decent structure still to it and hasn't been rotting on the floor. So something like this. I think I'm done. Let's go home. Could take it like right out of that. We got this tree here and it's still fairly decent. If you hit it with something, you can hear a good solid sound to it. It's not hollow. You can tell there's been some rot, some spalting, but that's okay. I think if I take a chunk out of it like right here, cut it in half, that should make a nice little bench. The problem is I dropped my mallet somewhere. I think I'm gonna have to go all the way home and get a new mallet. Oh, there's one. So, let's chop into this sucker. So why am I using a 1/2-inch chisel as opposed to a good 1-inch or something larger, or even a hatchet? And the reason is I want to do this all with one tool. And the 1/2-inch really is the most flexible tool. So when I get into the joinery later on, the 1/2-inch will become far more valuable. Whereas I wouldn't be able to do the joinery with a 1-inch or 1.5 inch. So the 1/2-inch is the better choice. It just means that this step is going to take a little longer.
To make sure the tool is sharper than the person using it.
Ain't that the truth? Hot dog.
Why did I work out last night?
Oh! Well, there we go! Timber! Let's do that. Hey, there you go. There. A wizard is never early. He arrives precisely when he means to. It's a little wet.
It looks like.
Or she. Of course, in Texas, they usually have winter on a Thursday. Nothing like hitting a round surface with a round mallet. Let's see what that gave us. Ha ha! It's coming. Maybe. Oh, I'd love to have a scrub plane right now. That's pretty. remove that whole first part. Oh, that's so much better. There you have it. This has been a lot of fun. Now, if you'd like to see a little bit more of the how-to and actually talking through the build of this stool, I have a whole second channel, Wood by Wright How #2, and there I actually talk through this thing. This is a project that I've been working on for over a year now. Not that it's taken me that long. I probably have about 8 to 10 hours worth of work in this total. But we shot the footage last year in the fall, and then the snow came, and so we were like, oh, we'll do it in the spring, and that kind of got pushed off again and again, and now we're here in the fall again, so we finally finished doing the project. This is fun to actually go in and just use a chisel and a strop and have a bit of fun here. I did a video a while ago making a box using just a set of chisels, and then people were complaining that I was also using the bench and mallets and other things like that. I was like, well, fine, I'm going to go into the woods and I'm going to grab a stick and a rock and I'm going to make my own thing. Maybe next time I'll go in there and nap it with a rock or carve it with my own teeth. But it was kind of fun to actually chop down a tree using just a chisel and have a little bit of interesting times. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please let me know down below. If you'd like to see something else, maybe you think I'm crazy in another way, let me know that as well. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell. Those things really do help out. Also, you can think about becoming a patron on Patreon or clicking the join button down below to help out the channel monetarily. Thank you for that. That helps us keep going and putting out these videos. So I think that's about it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day. So if I make this one with a 1/2-inch chisel, maybe I should make a bigger one with a 1-inch chisel. And that way this could be my stool sample.